Hello, everyone, and welcome. Um, we have a 110 kg linebacker running at 2 meters per second who has a collision with an 82 kg quarterback running at 3 meters per second. So it's really a matter of how you establish your axes, but in this case, I'm going to have the 110 kg linebacker running at 2 meters per second to be the positive. So 110, 2 meters per second. And we're going to have an opposite force. We're going to have mass 82 kg and a velocity of negative 3 meters per second. So, the velocity is 3 meters per second, but it's in the opposite direction, essentially giving it negative 3 meters per second. So they have different initial velocities, but at the end they have the same final velocity because they grab a hold of each other. So